strawberries at farmers market. They're in season. I mean, right now strawberries, they just smell so good and they look so beautiful. I just can't get enough of them. Berries are generally good for us. They're full with antioxidants. But when I can't eat the fresh ones fast enough, I usually freeze them or I make them into jams. Today I'm going to share with you this easy, healthy jam recipe using maple syrup instead of sugar, and also I'm adding chia seeds to boost even more antioxidant and also adding fiber. And my secret spice for this recipe is these little green cardamom pods. So cardamom has this really nice fragrance and it's used in food and also as medicine. So cardamom helps regulate our blood sugar and also aids in digestion, and it helps open the mind and heart, so it brings clarity and joy. Cardamom can be used as ground or whole. If you can't find whole cardamom, you can add a few pinches of ground cardamom into this recipe.